Oh, wait, what? Now we are stuck in the traffic. You guys gotta be okay me vlogging everything. Remove my bandana because because my hair looks shit now. Whole place is covered with vlog, guys. In camera it's still okay, but in reality, damn shit, you can't see a thing. So now me and Isha switch places. Me and Rahul and then Isha and Kevin together. Yeah, my face is full with water. Ah, bro. See, you can't see a shit. Insane. This looks like heaven, bro. So my battery died, so I'm gonna record from Heman's phone now. So there might be a quality difference. It's gonna be better than mine. Oh, they're back of us. Stopping by to take pictures in this beautiful heaven place. We are going to Dolphin Nose, guys. I'm going to show you the view. Again, traffic. Traffic. You wanna say hi? Say hi. You better come early, guys, if you want to enjoy without the traffic. Until then, look at the forest. The views are insane. Now we are stuck in the traffic. You guys gotta be okay me vlogging every time, okay? Get used to it. Anyway, so I was saying we got stuck in the traffic and yeah, we gotta wait now. This is the traffic. Oh, wait, what? Your phone has like double switching option while recording? It's insane, bro. I think I should get a Samsung rather than an iPhone. But then my eyes look cute. The forest, man. Crazy. We reached the dolphin place and it's a town. Oh no, sorry, not the town. What do you call these places? This thing? Oh yeah, there's a stall, guys. Shut up. And probably we're not gonna buy anything from there. But it's a long stall, like way too long. Yeah, like that. We can't see the dolphin nose. We'll go there. Rahul.
That's not Rahul.
No, this one. I know.
This one.
Idiot. Where's Isha? Where's the dolphin?
Yeah, this one.
Hut, dolphin nose.
There, you can see. You have to look
That is his dolphin nose, guys. Can you imagine? I removed my bandana because because my hair looks shit now. We should probably buy something as a memory. What do you want to buy?
ticket.
There's a ticket for dolphin nose also, guys. Okay, bye. Interested about the tickets and all these are the tickets prices for the dolphin. Welcome to Dolphin Nose. Guys, good information, okay? If you're planning to buy the fridge magnet, you should come here and buy because these are just 80. And the place that I got it from, it was like 200 and something. But it was good. Aloo?
These are also good.
That's why these are good. You better buy from here if you're coming to Dolphin Nose. If not, then just buy it anywhere, any shop. It's 100. And if it's the Ooty Lake, it's 200. But that was the wood one, so I think it's worth it. But other, it's 180, depends. Okay, wait, I'll show. This thing is so good that you can flip. I don't have that. Okay, I just didn't want it to come from there. There is a way actually. See, do you see those gaps in between? That's a way. Pretty long we parked here, so I took the shortcut, which was this adventure as well. So I'll be going from here and they're gonna meet me there. So let me do this thing. My little adventure. See there, they're coming from there. Can you see the helmets? That's them. So I'll be meeting them. This is the Dolphin Mountain, by the way. I found it. I did. Proud of myself. Waterfall. A small waterfall. Where? Oh, it's you. It's him. Other guy. So this is how the water stream work in mountains. See, it's getting collected, getting stored there and going to the places, I don't know, maybe home and all, from that pipe. Cool, right? See, this is the well I was talking about. And the water gets stopped from here and goes by the pipe. Now we're gonna take leave from here, guys. Done exploration and now to the next destination. Hee. Okay, we came to the next place, guys, and it's a river that we're gonna see. The waterfall that I saw. I saw it. I didn't record that. So it's a river down there. We came to another hidden spot, kinda hidden spot. That's the way. It's full of trees, which I really love. All of them are there. Exploration, guys. This is how you should explore the world. Oh, there's a temple.
Walk into the temple with shoes on fire. People may not like it.
Bro, it's literally on the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah. हमको मस्ती है. हम explore करते हैं. As usual, people had made it dirty. Don't do that stuff, bro. It's like fucking crazy.
It's the same waste from that village.
Huh?
It's the same waste from that village.
See, that's the river, guys. Look at it. It's not that clean, so. But something that you can explore. It's wild. Let me dim the light so it looks more good. See, that's the actual vibe. Do you see it? Oh my god. Hemant's phone is catching all the brightness in the world. That's pretty as fuck. You might get it annoyed by it, but yeah. She just never here to enjoy. I don't know why she came. After eating our pizza and hanging out for like a lot of time, or like a couple of hours, we're going to Moody's. So right now we're in some like a mall kind of thing, and me and Isha are like searching those kind of thing and we'll buy it. Those two went to eat dinner because we didn't want to eat dinner, so we didn't go. So we're gonna buy stuff here. And this is the place that we're buying from. It has like really lot of varieties. Isha's looking for some jewelry, I guess.
What recipe? Hey.